Today we're going to find out what will happen if we put Legos in a shotgun shell and shoot it out of a 12 gauge shotgun. Just for fun, I invited Matt from Demolition Ranch to come up with his own Lego shotgun shell idea. Watch the end of the video for the link.
What do we got to shoot?
Legos?
We got Legos. A lot of people have asked to see Legos. Finally figured out that I can fit them in a shotgun shell after all this time. So let's see if it'll load into a shotgun. Oh yeah.
Today we find out if a hockey goalie mask would actually protect you in a firefight.
All right, hit it. All right, go ahead. Wow, I think you hit it. That's a powerful Lego there. All right, go ahead. Wow. Had to have gone through the old eye hole there. Oh, look at that. Yeah, he hit it in multiple places. So I'd say Lego slugs are pretty good. Wonder how it'll do against like something metal. Go for it. Oh, for it. Pretty crazy there. What else we got? How about a mind storm? Hit it! Wow. He severed it. The zombie construction worker. Look at that. It just ripped through there.
Oh man.
That's a mind storm there, baby. You weren't aiming at that target, were you?
Yeah.
That's a...
Not aiming at the target.
A lot of people are fooled by that. Well, that was an expensive prop. That was like $3. Lego versus Lego. Which will dominate? What do you think?
Lego.
Lego versus Lego. Stand by for action. All right, go. Which I think the Lego won. Beautiful shot. All right, go. You didn't hurt my hard drive, did you? It's out of my new 486. Oh, shoot. Oh, you heard it. I think you can do better. That one sucked. To me, if I was to analyze this,
Forensically.
yeah, looks like it maybe broke into like 3 pieces. What do you think?
I think so.
That's pretty impressive damage. That's car, man. They make those things, you know, save lives and stuff.
Yeah.
I have no idea what Matt from Demolition Ranch is going to do with his Lego video. Should be very entertaining and creative, and I don't know if he has any watermelons with hockey masks on them, but click on the link here. I also have the link in the description. Thanks for watching, guys.